Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 7. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, I think this is a very important amendment to the Constitution that we are considering, and it requires a certain degree of serious attention and serious consideration. I would like to make 5 major points. The first point concerns the federal structure of our Constitution. I remember that it was very wonderful and very nice to hear my old friend, colleague, somebody with whom I had interacted for more than 2 decades, and somebody with whom I had many a contentious argument, and particularly on this issue as well, and it was wonderful to hear him once again. So, welcome back and thank you very much for what you have said. But I would have also liked to add as a compliment and not to be considered as an offense that he sounds much better from the other side of the house instead of this side of the house. So, thank you very much for that. Sir, this is an issue on which we have a very serious point. Article 1 of the Constitution of India says India, that is Bharat, is a union of states. Without the states, there is no India, and the federal structure of our Constitution springs from that concept. And therefore, the entire structure, the federal structure, and the rights of the states is something that is absolutely fundamental to the Indian Constitution. It is that Constitution because of which all of us are here and are discussing, and therefore this issue of a general goods tax services were not included at that point of time when the Constitution was being debated. What is being talked about was taxes on goods. This is not a new concept that has come up now. It has been going on in our country at least since the Constituent Assembly debates. The question was whether the states should have the right to have a sales tax. Let me quote Dr. Ambedkar on this issue. In the Constituent Assembly debates, what does he say? I quote, "It seems to me that if we permit the sales tax to be levied by the provinces, then the provinces must be free to adjust the rate of the sales tax to the changing situation of the province, and therefore a ceiling from the center would be great handicap in the working of the sales tax as such stop."